Scammers are creating hypes and enticing people to invest in bogus cryptocurrency. Melissa from New York was saving money since high school to buy a house, but lost her $110,000 deposit in a scam call. Now she will be renting for at least the next 10 years. Scammers are coming back with new strategies. If you don't have knowledge about cryptocurrency investing, they will make you the victim. Last 1 year, this global syndicate made about $109 million from Australia alone. So how are they doing it? In this video, I am going to discuss how scammers are taking money from everyday working people and how to save yourself from this scam. You will have a complete idea about crypto scams. So watch this video and protect yourself. This channel discusses all the latest financial strategies so that you can achieve financial freedom faster. If you find any value, please subscribe and like this video. That will encourage me to make more valuable, helpful videos. So, let's discuss how scammers can make you a victim without you realizing it. Number 1. They are building castle in the air by making false promise. It's no surprise that everyday hard-working people want to achieve financial freedom and get out of paycheck-to-paycheck living. These scammers capitalize on people's pain. They come up with extremely profitable offers. They call people directly and make false promises. They can make you believe that if you invest in their company, you don't have to work after 1 year. They use the Bitcoin success stories. We all subconsciously feel the pain of missing Bitcoin investment opportunities. Hence, they can make you feel a loser because you know how much opportunity you lost in the Bitcoin boom. Now they have an offer which you can't refuse. As they present themselves working in a reputed company, you would fall for their scams. They are selling a false dream that after 1 year, you don't have to work anymore, or you can become richer than your neighbors. Number 2, they are using false trading platforms. These scammers often tell people to invest in their trading platform with as little as $250. As this trading platform is controlled by them, they will show your investment is up by 50% in just 1 week. Next step is to increase the investment. As you saw some gain, you would probably invest your housing deposit. Like one scammer duped an investor showing a trading platform named Druid ICAV and offered fake shares of Facebook. They said their company is listed in Ireland. But when the investor tried to match the performance with the real world, he noticed that the performance is fake. By this time, he lost $25,000. Recently, someone from Australia lost their family savings of more than $100,000 into the scam of StockCM.com. Number 3, they are using a bait to phishing your money. This technique is almost deadly. Once you open a fake account after giving your bank details, it will give you some nice return on your investment. For example, if you invest $2,000 and see a fake growth of $1,000, you might want to withdraw that money. At this stage, they will let you do that. Once you get the sweet success, you would want to invest more. During this time, you would borrow money from friends and family and invest. It's because you know that your investment is almost certain. On top of that, you have been hooked to buy Amazon, Apple shares at discounted price. As you approved your bank access to their trading platform, they will steal money from your bank without your consent. This is what happened to Melanie from Australia. She lost her inheritance money from her late mother and her savings in total $78,000. Number 4, they create real hype about a coin, execute pump and dump strategies. In the past, we saw how scammers presented certain coins as high-yield investing options. They guaranteed that these coins will return higher return than Bitcoin. Their investors would not need to work for a boss after 6 months. They brought celebrities to talk about these coins. They even sponsored national sports, TV shows, talk shows. Because of their showdowns, general people believed their false future promises and invested. When the price reached peak, these scammers dumped their stocks and vanished in the thin air. This is a perfect example of pump and dump strategy. Like this lady, Ruja Ignatova, founder of OneCoin, vanished with $4 billion of fraud money. The Times described as one of the biggest scams in history. Another famous example is BitConnect. BitConnect defrauded U.S. investors of a total of $2 billion. Number 5, crypto scalping with fake celebrity success. Crypto scalping is an investment strategy that seeks to make small profits on a daily basis. Scalping is popular in cryptocurrency trading because the market is volatile and moves quickly. The goal of crypto scalping is to make a substantial return by the end of the day. As the profit can be high, the scammers will tell you that they have special bots that can earn you money. I even got calls from a scammer showing me how Richard Branson, owner of Virgin Empire, made $1 million in 1 week using this method. They even shared the fake bank transactions. As it's very tempting, lots of people fall for this. So, how to avoid these scams? Don't answer the scammers. Call nicely. You see, whenever a scammer calls you, they try to understand their customer. They go through a process called KYC, Know Your Customers. They will try to create a relationship with you while trying to find out your income and your assets level. If you say you are a truck driver in Canada, they can search online and find out your average salary. After that, they will present false offers and discuss how you can solve your financial problems overnight. So, don't give them any clue about your financial whereabouts. B. Resist your greed. No matter how too good to be true it sounds, never fall for this scam. Nobody cares about your financial freedom. It's only you who can build up your future. There is no scheme in the world that can double your money next year. C. Increase your knowledge. Even if you don't have any plan to invest in cryptocurrency, you must have a reasonable knowledge, understanding about cryptocurrency investing. In this channel, I discuss top 10 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022. You can also order this book, Cryptocurrency Investing. This book will give you a good knowledge and solid foundation of cryptocurrency fundamentals. You can identify scam and save yourself. D. Don't think your bank can recover money. If you approve a transaction with proper authentication, banks don't have any ability to get the money back once it's processed. Banks have limitation to recover money from overseas bank accounts. So once it is gone, it's gone forever. However, you must notify your bank as soon as you see a scam transaction in your bank account. E. The last recommendation is to check online about their company websites. Read reviews on an independent website. Read forum discussions. Understand what customers are really talking about their offers, services. Take the scammer's offer with a grain of salt. Never invest the money that you can't afford to lose. F. The bonus tip is to always consult your next investment with your financial advisor or family members who understand investing or have knowledge about financial world. Ask at least 3 different people and consider their suggestions. In the conclusion, I can confidently say that you understood how the scammers can come after your money. It's no wonder that if you invest in top 10 cryptos, you can make money, but never fall for any other scams. If you get any value, like this video and share so that others can save their hard-earned money. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Peace out.